going to show you how to change bonnet stay grommet. As you can see, this one's completely disintegrated. You want to prop the bonnet up on the other side so you can fully remove the bonnet stay. And then we're just going to lubricate this and work it into the hole. I like to just use some silicone spray with it, so you can wear a glove, whatever. Just drown it in it. You can just use spit alternatively. So if you look closely at it, there is actually a split. And what I find is getting the bottom in, if you try and push it in, get the bottom in as much as you can, and then you basically got to take a screwdriver and work it through like that. So you just tuck it in. Hopefully you can see that. Got to be careful that you're not going to put a hole in it. You basically got to crush it and just keep pushing it through, and then it'll pop and go in like that. Look at the other side, check that the whole lip has come through on the other side, and if it hasn't, just work the screwdriver through it. And then it's literally just a case of pulling this back through from the other side. That's it. 2 secs.